in progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint, I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
Here it is, once again, another amazing Hot Wheel. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my videos. It's DCS, right back again after a cool week. So, yup, I hope you guys are chilling fine. And yup, this time I've got is a cool Hot Wheel. It's got 5 out of 10 in factory fresh. It's none other than the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, one of the awesome hot hatches, guys. It's so damn aggressive. Like, actually just look at its headlamps. It's really aggressive, guys. It's better than the first generation A-classes. It's so damn cool, guys. So yep, can't wait to unbox this thing. But before that, the last week's video was none other than another cool, amazing one. It was a Lamborghini Miura, guys, and it wasn't a Hot Wheel, it was a Kin Smart, so it was pretty rare, and yup, it is still the coolest car, guys. So yup, last week we didn't have the quick quiz, but I'm extremely sorry, guys. Actually, I can't keep the quick quiz this week too, so my apologies for that. I'm really sorry, but by the next week, I'll get the quick quiz back, guys. So, yep, let's go for the unboxing. Here it is, finally out of the box, and wow, guys, take a look at this car. It is so damn cool. Like, the front grille of the car is really aggressive, guys, and it's damn large. And yep, guys, looking at the nameplate, it's got that cool one, the HWMB019, the 2019 A-Class. And the disappointment part comes over here, guys, where the headlamps are quite misaligned, and yep, most of the bumper vents aren't blacked out, so they're quite left like the empty ones. And yup, moving on to the sides, you haven't got much. This is the 4-door version type, so it's not a coupe, but still, hey, you've got the side view mirrors, which is actually pretty rare in Hot Wheels. And yup, the roof of the car, the transparent roof, which is legit cool. Actually, it's quite blacked out, like the tints are black, so I can't see the interior, but probably it's black too. So yup, the wheels are quite stock from the Hot Wheels, so can't describe much about it. Well, moving on to the rear, guys, it is amazing. You've got the Mercedes logo, you've again got the nameplate, and yup, the tail lamps of the car are beautiful. And yup, guys, you can see the tiny little exhaust. It's not quite seen, but still, you can't see that. So yup, guys, it's time for information. Let's go for it. So you guys, here it is, the interesting face of the video. That's the information. So let's know something about this cool 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, guys. So yup, let's begin with the production. The production actually began in 2018 of the 4th generation A-Class, and it's still continuing at the present. Well, time about the body style. The body style is actually a 5-door hatchback. Well, moving to the engine, guys. The engine is actually a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder, which is a turbocharged engine, guys. And yup, it is an all-wheel drive, which is some serious thing in a hatchback, guys. Well, time about the transmission. The transmission is actually a shocking 7-speed dual clutch automatic, guys, which is quite an awesome transmission to have on a hatchback once again. So let's talk about the horsepower, guys. This car packs up to 187 brake horsepower, which is a cool one. Well, going to the length of this car, guys. The length of this car is actually 4,419 in millimeters. Time about the width. The width of this car is 1,796 in millimeters. And time about the weight. The weight of this car is actually 1,505 in kilograms, guys. It is actually quite heavy. Well, let's go for the 0 to 60 time, the second best thing actually. This car does the 0 to 60 in 6.2 seconds, which is quite a cool time. Let's go for the best part, that's the top speed. So yep guys, the top speed of this car is 155 miles per hour, which is such an amazing top speed. Well, the last part, that's the price. So if you want this awesome 19 A-Class, you gotta pay up to like 25,000 pounds to 30,000 pounds, guys, which is some price to actually pay for this car. So yup guys, let's move on to the last thing, that's the special facts. So as I've ended up the information, let's go for it. So let's see what's it got over here. So here it tells that the early release of the 250A, the A250 has the same features as the A200 but costs more because of the more powerful engine and the all-wheel drive and the upgrade in the suspensions. So yep guys, that's why the A250 differs from the A200. So yep guys, as I've ended up the video, so you know what to do, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week guys, stay tuned, bye bye now.